traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 18th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So today is the FOMC interest rate day for the US. Should be a very, very, very big day because they are planning on lowering interest rates for the first time in at least 4 years. So I think it's going to be a very, very volatile day. I will be live streaming for that news event on YouTube, so definitely make sure you stop in and check that out. So anyways, I still think this is all likely part of a wave C of an expanding flat or a running flat wave C. Running flat would make a lower high, expanding flat would make a higher high. So, taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this wave 5 over here is the 5 waves up of 1. I think this is an ABC over here, wave 2. That means that we're already in a wave 3, so this is like a wave 1. This is a WXY wave 2. And I personally think that we're already in this wave 3, and I think it's going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows over the coming months in this wave 3 of either an expanding flat or a running flat. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I mean, it really looks like it's already ended an ABC correction. I just see 3 waves down. I see a little bit of a Fibonacci bounce. The trend is definitely up on the higher time frames. If they lower interest rates, you would expect it to be negative for the dollar, which would actually be positive for the euro dollar. Unfortunately, from my experience, it seems like fundamentals almost never line up, at least on the short term, with what you actually see on the chart. So we're going to have to definitely reevaluate this before the news to see what we think. Heading down to the daily time frame, like I said, I mean, it just looks like 1, 2, 3 waves down. It looks like a possible end of a correction already. Then, for some reason, I do think the US dollar might need to go might need to go up at the news, and if the US dollar goes up at the news, this is actually more likely to go down at the news. So we're gonna have to, like I said, we're gonna have to see what it looks like. I mean, lower interest rate definitely would be positive for the euro, but on the short term, fundamentals almost never line up with what you see on the charts. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push up right here. I definitely see what looks like impulsive down. I think this would likely be a wave A. I think this is 3 waves up right here, probably likely a wave B. This move down right here, I think would be likely a wave C. I would be paying very close attention to these last couple Fibonacci levels, maybe the 50 or the 61.8. If it makes 3 waves down, if it makes an impulsive engulfing move up at a Fibonacci level, I would definitely take it as a long for the continuation of the uptrend. But like I was saying, we definitely going to have to reevaluate this way before the FOMC news comes out later on, and I will be live streaming on YouTube, so definitely make sure you stop in and check out my YouTube live stream for my latest analysis on your favorite pairs. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.